So today I got a question from a borrower. What is the difference between an FHA loan and a conventional loan? They just didn't understand and they were being told they should do one thing and then told another thing. Let's talk about that for a minute. An FHA loan is a government-backed loan, okay? It requires 3.5% down, and that's on a 1 unit up into a 4 unit. So it's a super low down payment, especially on multi-unit properties. FHA also allows for lower credit scores. You can go down as low as 580. So that's super important. On a conventional loan, you're not going to be able to do that. FHA also allows for like higher debt to income on your debt. So let's say you work and your spouse just started getting self-employed and you can afford the mortgage payment, but we got to go higher on the debt to income. That's where FHA may be able to come in and help out. On a conventional loan, you're going to have more restrictive debt to income requirements, higher credit scores, and typically larger down payments. So like a 1 unit can be 3 to 5%, 2 unit is 15%, and 3 units 20%. So it's definitely a big difference. On FHA and conventional loans, depending on your county, they may have different loan limits. Some counties have similar loan limits, but like for example, let's take the Chicago, Illinois area, that's called Cook County, and surrounding counties. There's a big difference. It's like 472 for a single family versus like 726. I don't have the exact numbers, but you see the difference there can be pretty large. So we have to check a couple things. Does your loan fit into the category of FHA or conventional? Does your credit score fit into, which product? They're not the same though. So if someone's saying you should do one over the other, you need to understand why. Why are they saying you need to do that program, and make sure which program's best. You can often ask to analyze both from your lender. So if you have any questions on either program, feel free to reach out to me, and definitely follow my YouTube channel for more information.